Okay, so what do we got going on today, Sebastian?
Lots of vacuums.
Lots of vacuums? What's all this all over the vacuums? Whoa, it looks like there are people on there. Looks like Blippi and Peppa, Pedro, Zoe, there's a Masha, Bluey, Susie Sheep, Bear, Bingo, the Penguin from Masha, George and Richard Rabbit. All of these vacuums got somebody on there, huh? Somebody's driving today? All right. So we need the people for that one. So all of them have a person now. The wolf there from Masha. Got another George. And another George on there. All right, so we're just gonna start these babies up and drive them around. See which one of our drivers wins the race. All right, what do you want to do? Count it down? Are you gonna count them down or what?
You.
I have to count them down? All right, let's see. Where do we want to start?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, go! You better get these babies started.
This one can't walk. This one can't walk.
All right, get them started.
Okay.
Whoa. Zoe's got to jump on with Pedro. They got to get out of here. Oh, looks like Finnegan's going to get George. Peppa and Bingo over there in the green one riding. Wolf's still hanging out on Dabia. Blippi's on the Yeetie there. Oh, here comes Barry's falling off the gooby. Oh! Almost. We managed to stay on. Little help from Sebastian. Looks like Finnegan's taking care of that S6 over there, trying to get Bluey. Oh, Bingo and Peppa both bump right into the little guy. Oh, he's got him now. Sebastian's shutting it down. All right, what do you want to tell the people? There's one more. I hear some. In the kitchen. Penguin's still going. Looks like Penguin's the winner. Looks like Penguin's the winner today. He rode the longest. Yay! Let's see the winner. Penguin! Woo! penguin on the stickers.
I'm starting to clean.
Alright. See you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe.